Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about commission and sales tax. So, sales tax, commission, and commission rate. So we have to match the following definition to the words above. First, refers to the amount of money earned by a person from selling something, or it serves as compensation for the work or effort involved in making a sale. So this is a commission. Another, percent taking off from the selling price of the item sold. This is the commission rate. Another definition, a percentage of a sale price that is added to the total cost of a product or service and collected by the seller on behalf of the government to fund public services and infrastructure. So this is known as value added tax or the sales tax. So ayan po yung mga definition ng commission, commission rate, and sales tax. Ayan. So formula natin, if we're going to find the commission, so commission equals total sales times commission rate. So kapag commission rate naman yung hanapin natin, this is commission rate, this is equal to commission divided by total sales times 100%. Kapag sales tax naman yung hanapin natin, of course, sales tax equals total amount times rate of sales tax. And the original price, that is equal to total price divided by 1 plus sales tax rate. Okay. Example number 1. Problem solving on commission. Imagine your friend has a high-quality basketball that he no longer needs and wants to sell. He knows you have friends who are into sports, so he asks for your help. As a reward, he offers you a 5% commission for finding a buyer. So if you manage to sell the ball for 1,000 pesos, how much do you think you would earn? Okay? So 1,000 yung ibibenta mo. Tapos 5% yung commission. So yung solution natin dito, to find the commission, ang formula is commission equals total sales times commission rate. So commission is equal to yung total sales is 1,000. Tapos ibenta natin ng 1,000, tapos yung commission rate is 5%, or we have to change 5% to decimal. So yung 5%, that is 0.05. Okay? So i-multiply natin yan, 1,000 times 0.05. So yung commission mo or yung friend mo ay 50 pesos. Number 2, Kim is a dedicated salesman who earns a base salary of 4,200 per week. In addition to his base salary, he also receives a 10% commission on all sales he makes. So this week, Kim sold a total of 30,000 pesos worth of products. He's eager to find out how much he learned in total for the week. Okay, solution tayo. So, hanapin natin yung commission. Again, yung commission, this is a total sales times commission rate. Same yung formula natin, yung ginagamit natin kanina. Okay, yung total sales is 30,000 pesos times 10%. So, of course, yung 10%, we have to change that one into decimal. So, yung 10%, move natin sa left yan, then magiging 0.10 or 0.10. So, pag mag-multiply na tayo, 30 times 0.10, so that is equal to 3,000 pesos. Okay? to find his total earnings for the week. Okay? So, total weekly salary base plus commission. Okay? So, kumikita siya ng 4,400 plus yung commission niya na 3,000. Okay? So, ang total is, yung total weekly salary is 7,200 pesos. Next, example number 3, this is another solving on commission. Ms. Santos works as a salesperson at a home appliance store. This week, she successfully sold a premium washing machine priced at 45,000 pesos. After completing the sale, she received a commission of 6,750. Ms. Santos wants to calculate the commission rate she earns from this sale. Okay, so solution, we have to find the commission rate. Okay, commission rate yung hanapin natin dito. And take note, yung formula ng commission rate, that is equal to commission divided by total sales times 100%. Yung commission niya is 6,750. Diba? Yung na-receive niya yung commission niya na 6,750 pesos. Then i-divide natin sa total sales na 45,000. Then times 100. So pag divide natin yan, the result is 0.15. So multiply natin by 100%. So the commission rate is 15%. Okay? Another problem, this is solving on sales tax. So you're buying a new pair of shoes priced at 750 pesos. The sales tax rate is 8.5%. So find out how much sales tax you need to pay on the shoes. You need to calculate the sales tax amount. Okay, solution, to find the amount of sales tax, so we have to use this formula. Sales tax equals total amount times rate of sales tax. So yung total amount, okay, is 750 pesos. Then multiply natin sa rate of sales na 8.5%. So pag i-change natin si 8.5% to decimal, i-move lang natin yan to the left, 2 places. Okay, so from 8 point, so pa-left tayo, so magiging 0.085. So pag i-multiply natin yan, the result is 63.75 pesos. Yun ang sales tax. Okay, so yan lang po yung topic natin. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pag-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Maraming salamat and God bless.